So this is the beginning of the demonstration. This is going to be part 2 of the video. I'm actually going to start with this because it has a bag. I'm going to run that one, try how well it disturbs the carpet. Okay, here we go. Piece of wood would go through. So there's that one. It works pretty darn good on stuff like that. Let's see. I'm kind of battling against the battery here. I'll show you how well this one works. This is one of my other favorite vacuums. My favorite uprights. Cord rewinder is kind of a pain to deal with. It's got a long cord. Okay, so it's quite loud, but, you know, it works pretty darn well, too. It's got a weird rattling, so if anyone can tell me what that's about, or vibration, it seems like it comes from either here or down there, I'm not sure. If anyone can help me, let me know. These things have that, which is called the power surge. I've demonstrated the Eureka, so I'm going to go ahead and show you all how well the Hoover works, and show you how much it beats the crap out of the carpet. You can actually hear it over the camera, I think. So here we go. Yeah, apparently the switch has a short and didn't want to turn off. Kind of strange. So that's pretty much it for demonstrations anyway. If you have one you want to see working, please let me know. So I guess that was plugged in here, right? Oh, shoot, never mind. I think this is plugged in. I'll give this a shot, show you how loud it is if it's plugged in. Ah, what do you know, it is plugged in. This is the loud filter queen. Sarcasm. I'll try the inside, and I'm going to cut the video out because I'm getting short on battery, but yeah. It's got a big cone. So I will see you guys on YouTube.